What are the My Amazon Guy core values?
Learning,
Eagerness,
consistent communication,
tech savvy,
and teaching.
What's it like to work at My Amazon Guy?
I am super happy working here. I have a lot of experience in account management, like 17 years of experience in the previous company. When I joined here, I was told since the beginning, hey, listen, you have this background. You just need to work on your Amazon knowledge skills, if that makes sense. Because Amazon is changing and evolving at all points. So you can know a lot of things right now, but tomorrow you become obsolete if you're not reading all day.
Be yourself. We want you to be yourself. We want you for who you are today. Now, guess what I also know? The number one core value of My Amazon Guy is learning. Every one of you in this room loves to learn.
The fact that I can learn something every day, that's what keeps me engaged here every day. Obviously, again, the fact that I have experience in account management, seeing good results, seeing how clients react when you really add value, that's something that keeps you engaged and keeps you motivated. And I am very lucky to build a great team. I mean, the pod that I have is truly the best in MAG, like hands down. So I'm very, very happy.
Yeah, you need a good pod with you being a senior brand manager. You got a lot of weight underneath you. So that's good. I'm glad to hear that. I'm looking at your culture index right now. You have high drive, high detail orientation. You're an introvert and you're intense. You know, you're like a perfect person that we like working with, Pablo. So you love to learn and you love to go fix things and make everything better. So you're just a natural fit here. We always appreciate that. You're right in sync with the vision and the culture of MAG, and I really appreciate that, Pablo. Some good insights there.
Before I let you go, and you can cut this out, Steven, I just want to let you know, in my experience on the previous company, a traditional company for 17 years, I had like multiple teams, and the culture was pretty like positive. And there's a difference between saying and doing, right? So the difference between this culture after a year and a half that I've been here and the 17 years, it's like an abyss. I mean, you have built a culture that is not only from the teeth out, but in the practice every day. The fact that anybody can ask whatever.
You guys can ask me anything. This is the famous Stephen Pope Ask Me Anything event, guys.
And have like 1,000 answers from the colleagues saying, we're here for you. We have a network to support you. That's not normal in every company. So that is the one thing that I really, when I talk to any other people outside the company, it's like, I'm really in a place where this is being lived every day. So that's kudos for you.
Yeah, culture is top down. And whenever there's a problem in our culture, it's also my fault too. So I have to go fix it. So if you ever notice a challenge, raise your hand and bring it up. Because if I don't become aware of it, it's my fault. But thank you for noticing. I really appreciate that. And so it is, of course, everything I've been trying to accomplish and do in a nutshell, you have identified. I can't ask for anything else, honestly.
There is a reason we made SellerCentralJobs.com. It's because 52,000 people have applied to work at My Amazon Guy in the last 12 months. It's a lot of people. You guys are special. You have that opportunity to work at MAG. There are 52,000 other people that didn't have that opportunity, at least yet. So how we are paying it forward is by making MAG's knowledge available to the world.